What's up guys, it's James from SeekaHost. Today we're going to be going over how we can use our FTP access on SeekaHost.App. You can find this by going onto your PBN or WordPress site list, going down to the site that you want to manage the FTP access for, and on the right hand side navigate down to the FTP option. Here you're going to find your login details such as your hostname, your port, your username and your password. We suggest using a program such as FileZilla. It's free and it's easy to use. If you haven't got it, simply copy the URL, pop it into your browser, and then download the FileZilla for client. Follow the download steps and you're going to end up with something that looks like this, which is the FileZilla interface. On the left we have all the files and folders from your computer. On the right is going to be the server that we've connected to, such as your website. Now we're going to go ahead and connect your site so we can connect with the FTP access. To do that, come over to File on the top left. Then come down to Site Manager. We're going to go ahead and click on New Site. We suggest naming this so you know what site is what and you can easily connect. Here we're going to add in our information. Let's start first with the host. Your host is going to be found under the hostname. Simply copy it all. Come back to FileZilla and paste it into the host section. Next is your port number, found next to the port. You can paste this into the port section and just make sure that it doesn't create any spaces before the numbers. It will often try to do that when you copy and paste the port over. Thirdly, we're going to come over and copy the username. The username is of course going to go into the username section. And lastly, your password. You're going to have to click on the I symbol here to reveal it so you can copy it. Once copied, paste it into your password section. Here we're going to make sure the encryption is explicit FTP over TLS if available. You can add any comments you want if it's specific to this site, and then go ahead and click connect. Click OK on the next screen, and here you're going to find all of your documents on the right hand side from your website. Open a folder, double click on the folder symbol, and to go back, double click on the two dots on the top. To move files and folders between your computer or your website, it's a simple case of dragging and dropping. For example, if I want to upload a file for my desktop called a file, I'm going to drag it over into the section where I want it to be uploaded. If I want it to be uploaded into a folder, I would hover over that folder. Let go and it will simply copy everything over to your server files. Just make sure to be careful because you can delete stuff on here, and if you're not sure what you're doing, don't play around with the FTP file access, editing or deleting files or folders that you're not sure about. And if you want to be extra safe, you can always create a backup of your site or your folders before you make any changes. For example, if I drag the WP loads PHP, it's actually going to make a copy of it to my desktop rather than taking the whole folder over, meaning that I now have a safe copy on my desktop. Now if I make any changes here, it doesn't matter because I can always upload the safe copy back from my desktop to the server. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the videos for more tutorials and guides on SeekaHost.App.